Looking at a 7.3 right now, truck's a no start. This relay won't stop clicking. So I'm gonna go hop in the owner's manual real quick, see what it is. The truck's batteries are stupid low, so we're gonna throw a jump pack on it too. And we'll go from there. I have a very sneaking suspicion this truck's got a bad fuel heater, so we're gonna pull fuse 22 here. Fuse 22 is blown, so we're gonna replace that. Should stop all the clicking on that relay. But we need to make sure the fuel bowl heater is disconnected, because 99 out of 100 times when this relay is clicking fast, you go to fuse 22 is blown. You got a shorted fuel heater. So I'm gonna go get a fuse out of the truck real quick. We're gonna go make sure that we've got the fuel bowl heater disconnected, and we're gonna see what the truck does. But I'm pretty sure that's gonna be our problem. Okay, so we have 3 jump packs on this 7.3. The fuel heater is disconnected, so we're gonna go to the cab now. I'm gonna get the new fuse thrown in there. We're gonna try to get the truck on and start it, but I'm pretty sure that's the problem we're gonna have. We'll probably throw the scan tool on it first too, just to make sure it's not throwing any other codes or anything we need to be concerned about. All right, we're gonna turn the key on. No fast clicking relays. So we'll get the scan tool hooked up to it. I'll get that loaded up real quick. We'll pull codes, make sure we don't see any codes other than what we have for the fuel heater. Ooh. I'm not sure what that was, but that wasn't the same one we had before. Yeah, let me get this loaded up in here. I gotta look at the year. I don't remember what year this truck was. Well, it has a fuel leak too, apparently. Great. I thought this was gonna be an easy one. That's not good. It's been like a week and a half since we ordered this thing, and it finally came in. The customer got the parts, so I'm gonna get this fuel bowl thrown on the truck now. It shouldn't be too bad to do, except it's like 30 degrees and really windy, so I'm gonna try to get this thing done as quick as possible before I freeze out here. Glad I opened the hood and then went to go get tools. Hood came flying down on me, so I'm gonna pry bar propping it up for right now. Get up here and start getting these fuel lines off. So looking at the other one here, sits just like that. So we have 2 lines there and 2 kind of far down on this side. And then we'll need to disconnect the drain. And I've already got the fuel heater unplugged, so I'll just start getting these fittings loose. Almost got it out, but we got 1 bolt left in it here. And I can't get on it with a socket. There's something in front of it. So I'm just gonna have to keep turning it like a quarter of a turn at a time until it's off. But the fuel bowl can slide backwards right now, so this bolt doesn't actually have to move really. It's just gonna be really slow going getting that last one out. The rest of it came apart pretty easy. Got the new one in, got the lines started, at least pushed into their holes. Well, that sucks. But yeah, it started. I got the drain on, it's plugged in, all the lines are pushed into their holes. I just need to start tightening them, so try to hurry up and get this done because this wind is cold. I've cycled the key a few times. I don't see any leaks. I don't have enough jump box on it right now, so we're gonna throw some more on there, see if we can get enough power to this thing where it'll hopefully crank over, start. Yeah, it's too dead. We're not going to be able to start with these jump packs right now. I'm going to have to actually try to charge the batteries up. Should have known better. It's below 30 outside and it's a 7.3. It ain't gonna start. 3 jump packs. Still not enough. 7.3s can be really cold natured. I've had it on the charger now for about an hour. I'll let the glow plug cycle and then see if we can get it to start. Well, hell, I was hoping that was going to work. I'm going to let it sit on the charger a little while longer. At least it's spinning over faster now. Give it some more charge, see what it does. Alright, well, it still hasn't started yet. I've ran the jump packs down, I've ran the batteries down. I'm just gonna let this thing sit on the charger for a while, get some power back in it. We'll come out here and try to start it again after it's had some good time to charge. Probably just try it tomorrow morning, let it sit on the charger the rest of the day, get the jump packs back inside, get them charged up. There we go. It just needed to get set on the block warmer. The glow plugs in this truck are apparently non-existent. Well, looks like we're gonna have to do some diag on some glow plugs or see if the customer wants to, but she's running. All right, well, we let this thing run for a while. I'm gonna get a quote together to put glow plugs in it because it definitely needs a set, but it's running again. Let's have to get a hold of the customer and see if he wants to do glow plugs or not.